The power of science and technology pushes forward the modern scientific and technological life. As the leading manufacturing enterprise of injection molding machine, we supply more and more effective turnkey solutions to customers independently. Zhejiang SONLY Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, manufacturer of ingenuity, future of intelligent. As a new and high-tech enterprise which has supplied professional turnkey solutions of plastic injection molding for more than 20 years, SONLY keeps up with the step of Made in China 2025, takes the mission of transformation from Made in China to intelligent manufacturing, and creates value for the whole industry chain. It is a demonstration enterprise among the machinery brands of Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of the People's Republic of China. With a 60,000 square meter modern workshop, recently we invested almost 280 million CNY to introduce advanced equipments, precision machining center, and other more than 300 sets of equipment from domestic and foreign. This not only greatly improved manufacturing efficiency and product quality, but also completely finished independent production and realized fast innovation, which provide a strong and firm foundation for machine manufacturing. The process and quality control are the core competitiveness of an enterprise. We strictly executes ISO 9001 International Quality System and has passed CE and ISET certification with applying ERP management system. We strictly control the manufacturing process, make each detail more perfect, and constantly raise the quality level, covering from the elaborate process of every small part to the assembly of core parts. The three-dimensional for quality testing and controlling means is being used for products. Each finished product presents SONLY's quality awareness of constantly striving for perfection and excellence. In this way, more powerful and competitive advantages of products can be achieved. The technical research and development are the soul of an enterprise. SONLY insists on a strategy of strengthen the enterprise through talents, integrates the advanced design philosophy and technical ideas, and jointly established a postgraduate education base with well-known colleges. SONLY has got more than 30 patents, participate in drafting and formulating several relevant industrial standards for injection molding machine. Besides, SONLY has established a reliable and stable strategic cooperation relation of matching and technical support with domestic and foreign well-known enterprises. This is the greatest guarantee for the enterprise to be a leading role of the research and development of injection molding machine. Benefit from the tremendous R&D strength and excellent quality management. The series of SONLY injection molding machines have been expanded constantly, involving UTS series of top-grade precise injection molding machine, electronic products, medical products, automobile parts, household electrical appliances, products of environmental protection, etc. Multiple series and specifications are involved, including PET bottle preform, special for PPR pipe fittings, fruit basket, two-color injection molding machine, large double-plate injection molding machine, and all-electric injection molding machine. The whole series of products with clamping force from 50 to 3,400 tons are covered. Provide the powerful driving force for the products to occupy markets. Personalized customization service can be supplied to users and systematic solutions for special products can be offered. Depending on the special service system and following the guidelines of honesty first, customer first, SONLY has built more than 40 sale and service network stations around the country. The products have been sold to America, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, Eastern Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, and some other countries and regions. The data of all customers are filed in computer for regularly contacting and following up. The best after-sales service and safety guarantee can be supplied at any time. SONLY advocates the industrial revolution of green environmental protection, energy saving, and high efficiency. Always supplies the high-quality services and products to global customers with full enthusiasm and unremitting efforts. It will become the leading enterprise in the injection molding machine industry.